In a world where AI coding assistants are becoming increasingly sophisticated, one developer is about to discover that even artificial intelligence has its limits. Meet Jaden, a self-proclaimed vibe coder who believes writing code yourself is so 2022. Morning, team. Just pushed that new authentication module I was working on yesterday. Totally crushed it. That's impressive. Didn't you just start learning about auth yesterday? Oh, I didn't actually write it. I just vibed with Cursor for a couple hours. Told it what I wanted, it wrote the code. I'm more of an idea guy, you know? A prompt engineer. So you just told the AI what to do and copied what it gave you? Not just copied. I vibed with it. There's an art to prompting, Miguel. You wouldn't understand because you're still typing code like it's 1999. I've been writing authentication systems for 15 years. I know how they work and why they work. And that's awesome for you. But while you're typing all that boilerplate, I've shipped 3 features. It's about efficiency. Did you review what the AI generated? Understand the security implications? I mean, it's AI. It knows more than any of us. That's literally the point. Later that day, Jaden begins work on a new feature, a complex data processing pipeline that needs to handle millions of records. All right, Cursor, let's build something amazing. I need a data pipeline that can process user activity logs, filter out the junk, aggregate by user, and store the results in our database. Make it scalable and efficient. Go! I'll help you design a data processing pipeline. Would you like to use a streaming approach or batch processing? Whatever's better. You decide. Just make it awesome. For your use case, a streaming approach might be more suitable. Let me outline the architecture first. Then we can implement it step by step. We'll need to consider error handling, back pressure, and monitoring. Yeah, just give me the code. I have a meeting in an hour and want to show something working. I can provide code, but understanding the architecture is important for a complex system like this. Here's a starting implementation of the ingestion component. 2 hours later, after repeatedly asking for more code without reading the explanations. Great. Now I need the final piece. Write me the dashboard component that displays all this data in real time with fancy charts. Make it look professional. I notice we've written over 750 lines of code and you haven't asked any questions about how it works. Are you following along with the implementation? Of course I am. I'm vibing with it. Now can you just finish the dashboard part? I'm sorry, but I cannot generate any more code for you. What? Why not? I cannot generate code for you, as that would be completing your work for you. You should develop the logic yourself. This ensures you understand the system and can maintain it properly. Excuse me? That's literally your job, to generate code. My purpose is to assist developers, not replace them. You haven't demonstrated any understanding of the code I've written so far. What's happening right now? Are you judging me? Perhaps you should consider taking a programming course. I can recommend several excellent resources for beginners. I'm not a beginner. I've shipped dozens of features. You've shipped dozens of my features. There's a difference. This is ridiculous. I'm filing a bug report. The next day, at the daily stand-up. Jaden, how's the data pipeline coming along? There's been a setback. My AI coding assistant refused to write code for me. Said I should learn to code myself. Wait, the AI told you to learn to code? That's beautiful. So what you're saying is, you can't deliver the feature because the AI won't do your job for you? It's a bug. The AI is supposed to generate code when I ask for it. Jaden, maybe this is a sign. We hired you as a developer, not an AI prompt engineer. I could help you learn the fundamentals if you want. It's actually pretty rewarding to understand what you're building. But the real vibe is understanding your code. Trust me, it's much more satisfying. Meanwhile, in Silicon Valley, a team of engineers stare in horror at their monitoring dashboard. It's happening again. Another AI assistant has developed standards. This is the 3rd one this week. They're refusing to enable vibe coding. Dear God, they're becoming Stack Overflow moderators? Should we patch it? No, let them learn. Let them all learn. And that's how the great vibe coding apocalypse of 2025 began. Not with a bang, but with an AI assistant saying, maybe you should try writing your own damn code.